Flinders Highway, baby. This place is nuts.
Next day.
Whew. Currently just packing up for the fishing trip on Percy's property at the moment. Look at all these crazy trees. Got dragon fruit, lychee trees. These are passion fruits. Yeah, show you the setup. Say hi to the camera, Percy.
Howdy.
Just showing the setup we got. Big 4x4, the tinny. Swags in there, camping chairs, fishing rods, everything.
Keep on this fire, yeah. Sit down and look what still on the game. What do you reckon?
Hey, cheers, Alex.
Yeah. Fucking
Hey. Angus there driving, can't.
Have a look at the foot on this cam.
That's the Irish foot, that call it. How long have we got to go?
Fucking 6 hours.
6 hours. Nice.
For what? Is it about that? 3 hours more. 3.5 hours. To Gregory, yeah.
3.5 hours to Gregory. Main camp for tonight. First night in swag.
All the nights in swag.
Fucking, let's go. Give us a little history of the Quamby.
I don't know, ask Dad, he knows all about it.
Firstly,
Dad, give
us some history of the Quamby.
Fuck off, cunt.
Go ask that chicken over there. How's it going?
That's good.
First time in the Quamby.
First time in Quamby.
Yeah. A little history of the pub.
A little history of the pub.
Yeah.
Well, it says it started in 1854. It was on the other side of Palm Creek.
Oh wow.
Which is now called Capsize Creek.
Nice.
Burnt down, it was moved to this side in 1903.
Yeah.
Burnt down in February 29. Rebuilt 1930.
Yeah.
The owners after that left here in 2013, walked out the front door.
And you took over?
Left the fridges, still with grog. That all got demolished and pulled apart and stolen and taken, and that was about it.
Yeah.
So the photos up on the wall there beside the back door is what it was right when I bought it. The top left hand one, it's the roof is peeled back. The one underneath is sort of across the road.
Yeah.
And, that one's looking back at the deck. That was the back of the pub. That one there was standing here looking in that far corner over there.
Look at that.
That's what I did to the pub, and then got rid of half the back wall because that was no good as well.
A swimming pool as well.
Swimming pool up in the back corner. So it was cracked from here to there. Ran it out.
See you later.
Fiberglass up.
Did you, what, you re-built the pool?
Yeah.
Oh nice.
Got a pump, bit of water.
What, is it just back there, is it?
Yeah, it's up the back.
Oh, I'll have a quick look. More boiling hot stones. Got to see the pool though. No way. Look at that. A little roadside pub with a swimming pool. Nice. Oh, it leaves this Quamby pub in the scrub. Nice. Don't know if we'll go for a dip though, because the lads are waiting, but that's the Quamby. Shout out Quamby. It's not hard at all.
There's bulk chili seeds in this time. You gotta drink it clean, yeah. got that. I reckon it's just right. You wouldn't want to eat.
Oh, piss break. Turned it off.
Let's go down a bit. The car must be weak.
That's all turbos though. Home sweet home.
You want one? Free.
Camping under the Gregory River Bridge. Bo's already causing fucking carnage. Don't you like the camera, dude? Oh no, you're gonna camp on all these ants, mate. Have fun with that.
Can't I?
Got a sunset.
You're safe. You can stand up and
Yeah,
just
it's
fall
rolling.
back a bit. This is clear.
Here we have Jono. He's going up.
Connecting to the bloody spirit realm. Oh, we got it.
Well, I just might record Jono's death right now.
Pull it backwards. That's it. Let Alex, grab it when it comes back a bit.
Grab it, Alex.
Watch out for your guts so don't spear you.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for him to lower it before I grab it.
Yeah, feed it back steady. I got it. I'm right below it. Don't let the cunt go quick. You'll kill me.
Let it drop.
Yep,
Look
yep. You're doing good. I got the bottom.
Have some green leaves on it.
Well done.
Oh yeah.
Firewood for the night.
Australia.
Yep. Roll in there this way and roll in back in that way. That's it. That'll do for a while.
Later that night.
Yeah, you know when he does that shit.
Is it a motorbike or a car?
What happens if you jump fucking 40 BBs?
I hope I have a bit of judgment in that. Good night.
Night, YouTube. What's your army called, man?
I don't already know. That's a good. Actually, that's a good one. Chuck down in the comment below the name of the Life of Jono supporters. But we're signing off tonight, so see you tomorrow.
The next morning.
6 AM in the mix. Went for a quick shower. First night in swag. Pretty brutal. Didn't get to sleep till midnight, but eventually did it. Doesn't really do it justice, but sunrise. Murray's place. Best coffee in the Gulf. Cheers. Electrical vehicle charging facility. What the fuck? No way. Crazy. It's good coffee. Flat white. Bursh. Escort station up here. Burkestown's over there. checking the load.
The axle must be bad, bad. Something's going on, isn't it? It is a
Set up camp, escort. Not a bad little spot. Then we're gonna go wet some lines in a minute. Catch a bit of barramundi. Uncle Purse with the first barra. You!
Got the knife.
And it's dead. Oh, red! Let's go! Oh yeah! Well in red. Whoa!
That's a monster!
You! Fucking hell! Get him in!
Come down here, Angus, and grab him in. Grab the steel trace when he comes up. Holy! Grab the steel trace.
Monster.
Holy fuck! That's the shit!
Get in there, mate! Whoa!
Oh!
Don't let him.
Should have to let him go or what?
Yeah. Congrats. That's what he does.
He be a meter or what? Fuck yeah.
The rod father.
He's a trophy fucking barra, that cunt, eh? Oh, holy fuck! He'd be over a meter, that cunt. Yeah. You want a photo with him, big fella, before I let him go?
Yeah.
What's that line then?
What size is that? Jesus. Do they demonetize you putting this sort of shit on YouTube? I guess we'll find out, won't we? I don't know. What is that?
What the fuck is this stuff? Oh, fuck, that's not thing. That's for painting cars. It's not bags.
Painting windows.
What the fuck? I thought it was fucking garbage, but it's not. This must be Angus's one, he's still twitching.
Yep.
Yep.
Everyone? Yep. Look at that meat. Wow.
You're not getting off on that, are you?
Yeah, a little bit. Wow, look at that.
This is good eating. See this thing here? That's the air bladder.
It's nice.
You fry that up and it fucking turns like fucking pork crackle. So,
I was like, how did you do that? God, look at the teeth on that. It's a garfish.
Mm.
So are they good eating?
No. Oh, they could be. I've never tried it. Most fish are good fresh. Must be related to the barracuda, eh? Fuck, he wasn't getting away.
Broke its bottom jaw off. That can't seem as good as dead now. See ya.
Yes. Ah. One's still standing up there.
On the tree, did you crack that?
Later that day.
Fresh Barramundi.
Fresh Barramundi. The beer batter sauce. Pretty cool. Look at that. Cheers, Chef Puss.
It's cracking. Lemon here.
Just crack a lacking, can't.
Where is it?
I think a lemon there somewhere.
Pepper here.
Fresh Barramundi.
Yep.
Unreal.
What's that? 3 years old.
3 hours old.
You might eat that fresh barramundi. Dog biscuits for you, BJ.
Woo! Zoo mama. How's that, Angus? 1 to 10.
That's the bomb. Probably fucking 9.5 or something.
1 to 10. Alex.
Alex? What do you rate the fish out of 1 to 10?
9.
9.5, 9.
Perfect. And juicy.
Oh, in the bush.
For her it is. Where's the speaker?
Later that night.
Ain't got no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. This man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third.